Magnetic Destoner for chickpeas. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited has recently installed Magnetic Destoner at food industry in Ajman, UAE. In this video, we have done the separation process of chickpeas in which the impurities are removed from it. Magnetic Destoner is the effective magnetic separator used to remove for black stones, mud balls and other paramagnetic impurities from chickpeas. You can see the chickpeas are falling down to the conveyor belt, which is Teflon-based belt. The impurities are dropped into the outlet, and the non-magnetic content falls into another outlet at the front side. Now you can see the impurities which are removed from the chickpeas. Have a look of clean chickpeas after the separation process. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited has uniquely designed Magnetic Destoner for removing unnecessary impurities from all types of pulses, grains, and spices. For more details about our Magnetic Destoner, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com. Subscribe our channel for more related videos and hit the bell icon for more update.